In this video, you'll learn how to create a free newspaper website using WordPress. By the end of this guide, you will have a fully functional site tailored to your needs, utilizing WordPress's user-friendly interface and AI capabilities. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the option labeled Sites on the home page. This is typically found in the top navigation bar. Once you click on Sites, you will be directed to a page where you can manage or create your WordPress sites. Next, locate and click on the button that reads Create with AI. This option is prominently displayed, allowing you to initiate the AI-driven site creation process. After selecting this, the system will prepare to guide you through the foundational steps of setting up your website. Once the AI setup begins, you will see a screen prompting you to lay the foundations of your website. Click on the link that says Laying the Foundations. This step is crucial as it sets up the initial framework for your newspaper website. After clicking, the system will process your request and may take a moment to load. After the AI finishes loading, you will encounter a message stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This message indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in creating a personalized site. You should now type in "Create a free newspaper website" in the provided input area to specify the type of site you want. Next, press the Enter key to submit your input. This action will prompt the system to generate suggestions relevant to your request. You will then see a message confirming that WordPress.com can indeed create a free newspaper website, affirming your choice. At this point, you will be asked to choose from the options presented. Type in "Choose the choice given above" in the designated field. This clarifies your selections for the AI, ensuring that it understands your preferences. After typing this, click Enter again to proceed. Following that, a new message will prompt you to define what short tagline or description should appear in search results and social previews. This is your opportunity to convey what your website will offer to visitors. Type in a relevant tagline that encapsulates your site's purpose. After entering your tagline, hit Entry to confirm your entry. Next, you will be prompted to create a site title, which is the name that will be displayed in the browser tab. Input the desired name of your site, and once done, click Enter to move forward. Once you have confirmed your site title, you will see a message asking you what short tagline or description should show in search results and social previews. Type in a tagline that accurately reflects your newspaper's content. This is important for SEO and audience engagement. After typing in your tagline, click Enter to proceed. You will then be directed to a button that says Create My Site. Clicking this will finalize the creation process and initiate the setup of your newspaper website. As the system processes your request, you will see a message that reads, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that WordPress is actively creating your site. The generation process may take some time depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the setup. After a brief wait, you will need to remain patient as the site generation completes. The message "Wait for it to generate" will confirm that the system is still working on your request. This step might take a while, so ensure that your connection remains stable throughout the process. Eventually, you'll receive a notification once the site is ready. Congratulations on successfully creating your free newspaper website with WordPress. You can now customize and manage your site as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.